Have you ever wondered what the future holds for our home, the Earth? A question that has intrigued humanity since the dawn of civilization. As the world continues to evolve, so does our curiosity about what lies ahead. The future of Earth is not a mere topic of discussion, but a crucial contemplation that can shape our actions today. Imagine embarking on a journey through time, witnessing the possible scenarios that await our beloved planet. The landscapes we know, the cities we inhabit, the very fabric of our societies, all subjected to the merciless yet exciting hands of time. This is not just about the next generation or the one after that. It's about the collective future of all who call Earth home. We'll traverse the corridors of time, peering into the decades and centuries to come. We'll explore the potential futures, some filled with advancements beyond our comprehension, others challenging our survival. Are you ready to explore the potential futures that await Earth? Imagine a world just a few decades from now. Picture a time not too far into the future, between 2025 and 2050. This era promises to be a time of staggering technological advancements, the likes of which we can only dream about today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is expected to evolve exponentially. Imagine machines that don't just follow preset algorithms, but learn, adapt, and even make decisions, much like humans do. They'll be an integral part of our lives, transforming how we work, communicate, and entertain ourselves. They might even become our companions, colleagues, or rivals. Robotics, too, will see a revolution. Robots will no longer be confined to assembly lines and factories. They'll be in our homes, our streets, our schools, and our hospitals, performing tasks with precision and efficiency that surpass human capabilities. From cooking our meals to driving our cars, robots will redefine convenience. Space exploration will break new frontiers. We'll not just be sending probes and rovers to distant planets, but humans too. Mars colonies, lunar bases, asteroid mining, these concepts, currently the stuff of science fiction, could very well become reality. The cosmos will no longer be a distant, unattainable frontier, but a new frontier to explore and perhaps to call home. But this future isn't just about technological marvels. It's also about the challenges we'll face. Climate change, for instance, will likely have a significant impact on our world. Rising sea levels, extreme weather events, biodiversity loss, these are potential realities we may have to confront. Yet, we will adapt. We'll build smarter, greener cities that use renewable energy and promote sustainable living. We'll develop new agricultural techniques to feed our growing population. We'll devise innovative solutions to preserve our planet while advancing our civilization. This is just the start of our journey into the future. Let's move a bit further. As we move further into the 21st century, things start to get even more interesting. We begin to see a shift in global power. Nations once considered as underdogs are rising, thanks to the democratization of technology. The world map is being redrawn, not by borders of nations, but by spheres of technological influence. Then we have space colonization. The moon isn't just a celestial body we admire at night anymore. It's become our second home, a lunar outpost acting as a launch pad to the deeper cosmos. Mars isn't just the red planet, it's a new frontier, a place for humanity to test its survival skills in the harsh Martian landscape. Our cities aren't confined to Earth anymore. Space stations orbiting Earth are bustling with activity. They're not just for astronauts, but for ordinary citizens too. Imagine waking up to the sight of the entire Earth spinning below you. That's a morning view for many by the late 21st century. And we can't talk about the future without mentioning advanced AI. Artificial intelligence has become so integrated into our lives that it's hard to imagine a day without interacting with an AI. There are teachers, doctors, lawyers, and even our friends. They've made our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. But it's not just about machines. We're also rewriting the very code of life. Genetic engineering has allowed us to cure genetic diseases, enhance human abilities, and even bring back extinct species. Imagine meeting a woolly mammoth in a zoo or a park. But with these advancements come ethical questions. How much should we interfere with nature? Where do we draw the line between improving life and playing God? These are questions we grapple with as we stride into the future. In the midst of all this, our planet continues to change. Climate change is a pressing issue, We've made strides in clean energy, but the fight to save our home continues. Our actions today will determine the condition of our Earth for centuries to come. The mid-future holds promise and potential, but what about the far future? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, we are in for an extraordinary ride. Now, let's take a leap into the distant future, a time beyond the lives of anyone alive today. Imagine, if you will, the Earth of the 22nd century and beyond. A world where the climate has been tamed by the marvels of science and technology. Imagine cities designed with the environment in mind, where renewable energy is the norm and not the exception. Picture a world where climate change is a thing of the past, not because we ignored it, but because we faced it head-on and emerged victorious. Space, the final frontier, will no longer be a frontier. It will be a familiar place, a second home to humanity. We will have established colonies on Mars and perhaps even further. The moon might become a common vacation destination. We may have even traveled to the stars, reaching out to the farthest corners of our galaxy. Theoretical technology advancements will become a reality. Quantum computers could be as common as smartphones are today, and artificial intelligence might be an integral part of our daily lives. We might even have found a way to download our consciousness into a computer, achieving a form of immortality. And what of life beyond Earth? The potential for contact with alien life is a tantalizing prospect. We may finally answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Or we may find that the cosmos teems with life, some of it perhaps even intelligent. The future of the human species is an exciting mystery. Will we evolve into a spacefaring species, spreading out among the stars? Will we merge with our machines, becoming a new form of life entirely? Or will we remain recognizably human, our culture and society shaped by the challenges and triumphs of the centuries? The far future is filled with uncertainty, but it's a fascinating uncertainty. And as we look forward to the possibilities, we are reminded that the future is not something that just happens to us. It's something we create. Our decisions today will shape the world of tomorrow and the world of the 22nd century and beyond. Our journey through time has taken us to places of wonder, hope, and uncertainty. We've seen the potential advancements in technology, from smart cities that breathe life into our urban landscapes to AI that could redefine what it means to be human. We've pondered the societal changes that may arise as we grapple with a world that's more interconnected, yet more complex than ever before. We've also faced the harsh realities of climate change, a challenge that spans generations and asks us to rethink our relationship with the planet. And we've dared to gaze into the far future, where the only certainty is uncertainty itself. No one can predict the future with certainty, but contemplating the possibilities can help us prepare for whatever the future holds. The future of Earth is in our hands. What kind of future will we choose?